Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with ninth class maths triangles chapter. In that exercise 7.3, three problems I have taught earlier. Now the fourth one. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Show that angle B is equal to angle C. So there is a triangle ABC. This is ABC in which AB is equal to AC. So what is given to us? They have given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Now what is RTP? They are asking us to show that angle B is equal to angle C. And here you have a construction. What is the construction? They have given a hint in the problem, children. The hint here is you have to draw AP perpendicular to BC. So from A, you have to draw AP perpendicular to BC. So on drawing AP perpendicular to BC, this is AP perpendicular to BC. Now construction, draw AP perpendicular to BC. Now let us see the proof. Because you have drawn AP, we are getting two triangles now. That is in triangle ABP and triangle CACP. ABP and triangle ACP. In these two triangles ACP, in these two triangles, angle APB is equal to angle APC 90 degrees there. These two are 90 degrees. AB is equal to AC. This is given to us. And AP is equal to AP. It is common. Therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP basing on right angle hypotenuse side RHS property. When these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle C. This is how you have proved, children. So once again, what they have given, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. You have to show angle B is equal to angle C. And there is a construction that is given to us that you have to draw AP perpendicular to BC. So construction, draw AP perpendicular to BC. Because of AP, triangle ABC is divided into two triangles. One is triangle ABP, another one is triangle ACP. In these two triangles, angle APB is equal to angle APC 90 degrees and AB is equal to AC, that is given to us. AP is equal to AP common. So triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP basing on right angle hypotenuse side property. So when these two triangles are congruent, then definitely the corresponding angles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle C. This is the proof of this problem, children. Now, children, in triangle ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC and side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AC. Now you have to prove that angle BCD is 90 degrees. So what is given to us in triangle ABC? AB is equal to AC and in triangle ACD, AC is equal to AD. This is given to us. And what is RTP? We need to prove that angle BCD is equal to 90 degrees. Now, let me talk about the proof. Proof is in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. that is equal to, let us suppose, let angle be R, let me write, let angle B is equal to X, then angle C is also equal to X. That means I am writing this as X, so this will be X. Also, in triangle ACD, AC is equal to AD. This is given to us, and here also it is given to us. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle D. Let us consider angle C is equal to Y. Then angle D is also equal to Y. So this is Y, this is also Y. Now let me take triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 180 degrees. You know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. So angle B is X plus angle C is X. Angle C is X plus Y, because this is C, X plus Y, plus angle D is Y, is 180 degrees. That means 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degrees. That means 2 is common. 2 into x plus y is 180 degrees. So what is x plus y? 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. What is x plus y? X plus y is nothing but angle BCD. Angle BCD is equal to 90 degrees. This is what they have asked you to prove. It is proved in this way. So once again, children, there is a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC, and BA is produced to D such that AC is equal to AD. Show that angle BCD is 90 degrees, right angle. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC means opposite angles are equal, angle B is equal to angle C. I am considering angle B as X, then angle C also will be X. Now in triangle ACD, AC is equal to AD. That means angle C is equal to angle D. I am considering this angle C as Y, then this also becomes Y. Now when you go to this big triangle, triangle BCD, angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 180 degrees. Angle B is X, angle C means X plus Y, angle D is Y is equal to 180 degrees. So 2x plus 2y is 180 degrees. 2 into x plus y is 180 degrees. X plus y is 180 by 2, 90 degrees. X plus y is 90 degrees means x plus y is nothing but angle BCD. That is equal to 90 degrees. This is the proof of this fifth problem, children. Please note it down. Now sixth problem, children. ABC is a right angled triangle. So ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle A is 90 degrees. A, B, C. Okay. And also they said that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Now you have to show that angle B is equal to angle C. So what is given? In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. AB is equal to AC. What is RTP? What we need to prove? Angle B is equal to angle C. Let us take a construction. Construction is, you can take a point here at BC. Let P be the midpoint of BC and join AP. First point, locate P, the midpoint of BC. And second one, join AC. Okay, A and C you write. Join A and C. Now proof. You have got, because of AP, two triangles. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP. AB is equal to AC. This is given to us. And AP is equal to AP. It is common. And BP is equal to CP because our construction, I can write it here, construction. We have constructed like that due to the construction. Therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP basing on side property. When these two are congruent, angle B is equal to angle C. Hence, proved. Very simple problem, children. Try to understand. Once again, I'll say there is a triangle ABC which is right angled at A and AB is equal to AC. We need to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. So for that there is a construction. You have to locate a point, midpoint of BC and join AP. Now we have got two triangles. In triangle ABP and in triangle ACP, AB is equal to AC which is given to us and AP is equal to AP, that is common. BP is equal to CP because P is the midpoint, that is our construction. So these two triangles are congruent basing on side property. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. This is the proof of sixth problem, children. Now the seventh problem, show that angles of an equilateral triangles are 60 degrees each. So let us take triangle ABC in which AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. We need to prove that all these angles are equal, that is 60 degrees. What is given to us? In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Then what is RTP? We need to prove that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Now we can go for the proof directly. AB, I will write proof here, children, otherwise total proof I will get here. In proof, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. This is given to us. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. So, in the place of B and C, I am writing angle A plus angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. That is 3 times of angle A is 180 degrees. So what is angle A? 180 degrees by 3, that is 60. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees. If angle A is 60 degrees, we can say that therefore angle B will be equal to 60 degrees and angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degrees. This is the proof. So hence proved. Let me write. We have proved this statement. So what is the problem? You have to prove that the angles in the equilateral triangle are 60 degrees each. So ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. Now we need to prove that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degrees. That means in triangle ABC, sides are equal, they have given, so angles are equal. When angles are equal, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. So in the place of that, angle A plus angle A plus angle A is 180 degrees. 3 times of angle A is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees. That means angle B is 60 degrees, angle C is 60 degrees, and angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Here, required to prove, they have given that each angle is measuring 60 degrees. Otherwise, here, instead of writing angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degrees, equality we need not prove, children. So in this RTP, I'll write angle A is equal to 60 degrees, angle B is equal to 60 degrees, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. We need to prove. This will be very apt to write RTP, children. Please note it down. Now, eighth problem, children. In the adjacent figure, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC, and BA and CA are produced to P and Q in such a way that Q and P, BA is produced to Q, CA is produced to P in such a way that AQ is equal to AP. Now we need to show that PP is equal to QC. So what is given to us in triangle ABC? AB is equal to AC and PA is extended to Q and CA is extended to P and AQ is equal to AP. Now what is RTP? We need to prove that PB is equal to QC. This we need to prove. Now proof. Since they asked PB is equal to QC, let us take these two triangles. In triangle APB and triangle AQC. In these two triangles, AP is equal to AQ. This is given to us, and AB is equal to AC. This is also given to us, and angle PAB is equal to angle QAC, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQC basing on side angle side property. When these two are congruent, we can say that PB is equal to QC. Hence, proved. This is the proof of this figure, children. So, you have got a triangle given to you, ABC, in which AB is equal to AC, BA is extended to Q, CA is extended to P in such a way that AQ is equal to AP. Now we need to prove that PB is equal to QC. In these two triangles, AB is equal to AC, they have given. AP is equal to AQ also, they have given to us. Angle PAB is equal to angle QAC, vertically opposite angles. So these two triangles are congruent basing on side angle side property. Therefore, PB is equal to QC. This is the proof of this problem, children. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be doing the next.